Your laziness is holding you back from living your dream life. Yes. Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Orion and I'm back today with a new video. Yes, like you can see in the title, it's time for you to break out of your lazy girl era. If you go on my channel, you will see that I haven't posted no videos since last year, and just because I was lazy. So the situation where you are right now, I was there too. And let me tell you something, your laziness is holding you back from living your dream life. Yes, I'm saying that because I was there too, so I know what I'm talking about. So today I'm back with some tips to help you get out of your lazy girl era and just be more productive and just take action and be a better person. So yeah, let's get straight to the video. I know it's not easy to navigate this life, and most of the time we've been here overthinking and having all type of idea. We are dreaming. Like me, I can spend my whole day dreaming, talking about my goals, having idea, but it's so hard for me to just break out of my laziness and just get up and do things and get the things done. So I realized that most of the time when we're lazy, when we don't want to move and take action, is because we don't feel the pressure. We have no necessity, we have nothing that is actually like putting fire under our ass to just get up and do things. On the other side, you are just not lazy, but you feel unmotivated, and it happens a lot. Like me, for example, I've been unmotivated for so long because I was just not doing things that was making me happy. When I do things that makes me happy, I'm motivated, but when I do things that don't really actually make me happy, I'm so unmotivated, and you have no idea. For example, I prayed, like let me tell you, like I prayed so hard and so much to get a job, and God finally blessed me with a job, and I thought that it was the biggest thing ever. I was the happiest girl ever because I was like, oh, I prayed for it and I got it. And then now when I start working that job, I realized that, oh, I actually don't really like this job. I actually hate this job. And when I tell you hate, yes, hate it to the point where it was hard for me to just get out of my house and go to work. And I'm not gonna lie, I cried multiple times because I didn't want to go to work. But like, yeah, and all this makes me so unmotivated to actually do something that I actually like, to actually show up for the things that I actually like. So the fact that I was doing something that wasn't making me happy just keeps me in my lazy girl era, because when I was coming back from work, I didn't even want to take my phone and put my camera on and put my camera on to film or to actually like show up on my social media. So I was so lazy and so unmotivated to even post on my Instagram. And let me tell you, what is actually paining me the most is I took time and I put some work and effort to build a platform, and I was so happy because I was like, yo, I start from nothing and then I build a whole platform and I'm working with those brains. But because I got so lazy, my engagement and everything I built just crashed, and everything just went down. And yeah, I had to get up and do something. For us to actually get up and break out of our lazy girl era, we have to be connected deep enough to the thing that we actually like. So we have to create a necessity and a need to get things done to be able to get out of our laziness. My first tips to actually get out of our lazy girl era and be more productive is going to be set specific goals for yourself. Setting specific goals will just give us a sense of necessity, a pressure, and a reason to actually stay focused. Whether it's simply getting out of bed earlier, is losing weight, is making money to do something, having clear goal in our mind will just help us to stay focused and be motivated. So to help yourself fixing goals, like for example, if you don't know what are your goals, what's your purpose, what you want to do, you have to ask yourself, what is your why? I'm saying what is your why because somebody's been telling me multiple times. You have to know what is your why. So you have to know what is your why. Like for example, in our case, we are trying to get our life back together. So we have to ask ourselves, why are we trying to get our life back together? And our response is going to be because we want da 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 da. Like for example, I want to get my life back together because I lost my car and I need money to be able to buy my new car. I want to get my life together because I want my mom to be proud of me. I want to get my life together because I'm tired to be that girl and I want to live as my higher self. So the answer to your why is going to be your why. Like it doesn't make sense. So let me redo it. The answer to why you want to get your life together is your goal. So yeah, that answer is going to be your goal. So now that you have your goal, the next thing is going to be set a specific schedule and having deadline. So when you have a goal, you have to work toward it. But the problem, and one of the reasons why most of the time we just sit back and we just get lazy over the time, is because we don't have a sense of urgency. When we put a sense of urgency on everything that we have to actually accomplish, we realize that we don't have time and we have to take action as soon as possible. Same for when you organize your day, for example. You have to have a schedule. So create a schedule on a daily basis and stick to it. Plan out your days in advance. When you plan out your day prior the actual day, you won't have no reason to actually be lazy on the day of, because everything is planned. And plan everything to the point where you even add time to every single thing you have to do. Time to wake up, time to go to the gym, time to work, time to even go out and enjoy yourself. And for that, you have multiple things to help you. Me, for example, let me tell you a little story. Is, can you imagine that I never had a routine till this year? Like literally in how many years of my life, I never really have a routine. I woke up in the morning, I just get ready and life goes on. I was living day by day. It was how, like, whatever happened just happened, and that's not good. So not having a routine is just living just like that in a hair, and it doesn't make sense. And let me tell you something, from somebody who's actually coming from no organization, no planning, no routine, or any type of skills like that, having a routine and developing a routine has literally changed my life. Like literally, my morning routine just set the tone of my day. It just set the tone of my day. And my night routine is just my time where I take care of myself, I unwind, I pamper myself, and it set the tone as well for the next day. So having a routine is just so freaking important. And to plan and organize myself, I tried multiple things. I tried notebook. I tried to write it down every single day on little sticky notes. I tried note on my iPhone, and none of this has actually worked for me. So you have to find what will actually work for you. And in my case, what actually works for me is Notion. And Notion is an app that you can download on your app store. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I downloaded it 3 times and I deleted 2 times because it's hard to actually understand and navigate. So now that I understood how it works and I can easily navigate it, I just use that every single day. And thanks to Notion, because I'm so organized and I plan everything to the point where I even plan what I'm actually eat during the week. Yo, I'm so proud of me because I'm coming from far away. When I tell you that I'm coming from far away, I'm just literally coming from so far in my organization, in my routine, and setting my goals things. So I'm so proud of me to actually like be able to realize that today. So I even plan everything that I'm supposed to eat during the week. So when at the end of the day, when I get home from work, I don't have to worry, I don't have to think about what I'm going to eat and stuff, because everything is already planned. It makes my life so easy. So having a routine, a schedule, and having deadline to your goals will just helping you stay on track. It will give you a sense of urgency to your goals, so you know that you don't have time to waste. So you actually know that you don't have time to be lazy, because you have to get things done and make the most out of your time. Y'all, I'm giving you the after this video. If you don't start being productive, that means, sister, you need deep deliverance. You need 3 days of fasting and intensive prayer, because so once you set your goal and you have your deadline and you have your schedule and you stick to it, the last thing is going to be surround yourself with positive people, positive influence. It's going to be your circle. Yeah, your circle. The more we are growing, especially when we pass the age of 25, 26, we have to have people around us that are on the same mindset and on the same page as us. Let me explain myself. We have to have friends that actually want to do things with their life, that actually want to reach their goal, that actually want to be better, that actually want to make money, that actually want to build things. You can't be with the same friend that always want to do the same thing that you guys were doing before. You have to have people that actually add something to your life, that actually bring something positive in your life, that actually motivate you, that actually inspire you. You can't be with the same girl that just want to go to the club all the time, that just want to sit down and talk about tricking men, that just want to, okay, I know, I'm not going to tell you that I'm not doing that, or I'm not talking with my girls about men, or we don't go to the club. I love going to the club. I'm the life of the party. Let me tell you, I'm the life of the party. I like going to the club, but at the end of the day, when Saturday is over and we get back to the week, I want to talk to my friend about, oh, what is that? What are you actually doing? What are you actually trying to, like having adult conversation. I don't want to talk all the time about, oh, this man, or let's play this, da 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 da, yada yada. No, you know what kind of conversation I'm talking about. So you need to actually surround yourself with people that can actually bring something in your life, especially if you are somebody that get unmotivated easily and that easily get lazy. You need to have the right people by your side. So I'm not telling you that you don't have to have fun, you don't have to have nice and funny conversation about with your friend. Yes, we all have to do that, but you need to know what time and who you have to have around you. And also choosing your partner, the person that you share your life and your intimacy with, is going to be so important, because you have to have a man in your life that can actually bring you something, like that can motivate you, that can inspire you, like the man that can actually help you build yourself, especially if you're somebody that easily get lazy, that adapt yourself easily and quickly, and that can easily feel unmotivated. You need to have the right partner. Choosing your partner is going to be so important, because your partner, if you choose the wrong partner, it would just be chaos, and you would just be so unhappy, like literally, and it will add on top of your laziness. You lazy, you unmotivated, and on top of that, you just stressed. No. So whether it's a family member, it's your friend, it's your partner, it's the people around you, you have to surround yourself with positive influence. You have to surround yourself with the right people. You have to surround yourself with people that can actually bring something in your life. And you will see that that positive network around you will just help you be on track and keep yourself more motivated. So babe, I know that it's hard. I'm not telling you that it's gonna be so easy and everything will just be, I know it's hard, and sometimes you'll feel lazy a little bit, but what I can tell you is showing up for yourself is not always easy, but it's the best and it's the most beautiful form of self-love. So if you love yourself, you have to show up for yourself to actually make you happy first, to actually make you the person that you want to be first, before somebody else actually step up and do something for you. You have to learn how to show up for yourself anytime, any day, and at any moment. It's not easy. You will fall back, you will slack sometime here and there, but you also have to learn how to quickly get back on track and how to quickly bounce back for you just falling down and for you just slacking from time to time. If you slack one day and you feel a little bit lazy and you cannot just accomplish the thing that you want to accomplish, just, no pressure, but learn how to quickly get back on track and actually get the things done. It's going to be a long journey, but you have to trust the process and just have faith. Just have faith in yourself and believe in yourself. So this is it for today's video. I was really happy to come here and share these tips with you because I'm talking from personal experience, and I'm so happy that today I'm not as lazy as I used to be, and I hope that this video will help somebody. And if you like the video, don't forget to follow me, to subscribe, and to give me a thumbs up, and share my video with your family, with your auntie, with your friend, with somebody that actually needs help. And don't forget to follow me on my different social media. Let me know in the comment down below what you think, and let's just have a little conversation. So that's it for today, and bye.